We're on our way to a waterfall, and guys, I was not expecting this waterfall to even exist. I thought I had to drive 4 hours away to see a waterfall, but my wife was on Google and she saw this waterfall, pointed it out, and now we're on our way. And I'm not gonna lie, there is nothing better than taking your kids along for the ride. I mean, look at that. I mean, these are the moments that they're going to remember.
Start a fire, throw the memories in the flames, it's behind us. See the gold in the red, new horizons. Let it burn, let it burn. So run for the hills, baby, don't look back when you leave. There's a train headed west, move along, you got somewhere to be. Watch your step, coming off of the life that you left. Break the rules, cross the line, make a mess. This could be the only chance that you get. Grab the matches, start a fire. Throw the memories in the flames, it's behind us. See the gold in the red, new horizons. Let it burn, let it burn.
All right, we've arrived and it's a beautiful sunny day. Let's check out a waterfall. Hey Zoe, are you excited to see the waterfall?
Yes.
All right. 80, are you excited?
Yeah.
Woo, Liam, how about you?
Yeah.
All right.
Ain't done yet. Contemplating leaving all this behind, but I'm begging you don't give up yet. Life's a tripping when it trip you up, you lace up and go run it up, yeah. Fog out, but the blue sky's coming. The universe is up to something. You done came too far to turn back now. Grab the matches, start a fire. Throw the memories in the flames, it's behind us. See the gold in the red, new horizons.
All right, guys, we are now at Como Park where this beautiful waterfall is. The children are just enjoying themselves on the park equipment. Very nice park. They even have almost like a natural swimming beach over there. Super fun, super awesome. Make sure you come to Hokah, Minnesota, deep in the heart of the Driftless Region.
I'm so excited for the waterfall. Whee! Somebody say waterfall? Whee! I'm so excited for the waterfall. Whee!
Hokah's Como Park has it all. A pool, trails, a beautiful park. But if that isn't enough, let's take a look at the pool. I'm standing here at historical Lake Como Park, where there's a beautiful waterfall, a park, and a big old swimming beach, and interpretive signage. Guys, this place is the real deal. Come to Minnesota. Wow, look at this. They had a riding cart that shot down the hill right into the lake. There's the waterfall. Look at a bunch of old cars, super cool, super awesome. Beautiful vision of the area. Wow. Wow.
Ready?
Yes, we're ready. Let's go. This park has it all, even a free library. Take a look at this. Wow, books for miles? Heather Graham? A Woman of Our Times by Rosie Thomas? Are you kidding me? Guys, come to Hokah. Ooh, even dog poop bags. Holy cow, and if that wasn't enough, even a bicycle rack. Look at how much fun the kids are having. No Nintendo Switch required. Or is it PS5? Or is it Xbox? I have no idea. YouTube videos? No way. This is way better. Oh my gosh. Wow. Kids and nature. Am I right? Yep. Okay. Waterfall time. Holy cow, guys. Behind me, the mighty Como Falls. It might not look very impressive from way up here, but let me tell you something. Down there, it's a mighty waterfall. That's right, guys. Super awesome, super incredible. The Driftless Region of Minnesota. Woo! Subscribe now. Berries are sweet, but life is much sweeter. All right, guys, if I'm gonna rate Como Park on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm definitely gonna give this place a solid, let's give it a solid 6. But if you're from Minnesota, if you're from Iowa, Wisconsin, you know what? I'm gonna have to go a solid 8. It's not every day you get a decent waterfall.
Do you wanna do almost anything?
Como Park is a special place. Like I imagine families with small children would come here and enjoy the peace, relaxation, and fun. And those people pass on unexpectedly. Like it's nice to come back and have a little special time by a big tree to remember the ones that you've loved and lost.
Do you wanna be famous? Do you wanna be happy or do you wanna be sad? Do you wanna be good or do you wanna be bad? ABCs or 1, 2, 3s, however you perceive them. Everything is dope, everything is a placebo. You're leaking money, leaking money. There's cash around, everybody wants it from you. Wake up, take a picture, then you back online. Nobody keep it up like all the time. All on the gram, all on the tweets. In your feelings, every week. Do you wanna ride with some real things? Do you wanna slide on the real thing? You wanna know who I came with? You wanna know if we're dangerous? You ain't hanging with no strangers. Do you wanna be famous? You just want the Lambo so you can go fast. You just want the money, man. You just want the cash. You just wanna know if you're dangerous.
Behind me, incredible waterfalls. Como Park, a place to bring the entire family. Now behind me, a bridge. Follow me. Let's take a look at this thing. Very, very well built. Made out of solid wood, probably mahogany or something. She's a little crabby. Okay, break. So much graffiti. Super incredible. Thousands of years from now, people of the future will look upon this graffiti and think it was ancient aliens. Super incredible. All right, guys. Behind me, ancient artifacts. That's right, graffiti. Some of it you can barely make out, but, you know, pretty cool. Except not. It's not my graffiti, I didn't do that, but aliens or ancient humans? You decide. Drop it in the comments, guys. Drop it in the comments. Como Park, a place to find new love and rekindle sibling rivalries.
We stood steady as the stars in the woods, so happy-hearted in the warmth rang true inside these bones. As the old pine fell, we sang. Just to bless the morning. Hats and on toes, coats and in sleeping bags. I come to know the friends around you are all you'll always have. Smoke in my lungs, or the echoed stone. Careless and young, free as the birds that fly, with weightless souls. We stood steady as the stars in the woods, so happy-hearted in the warmth rang true inside these bones.
All right, guys. It might look like I'm climbing a mountain, but it's not a mountain at all. The views are incredible, though. I mean, right now we're about maybe 30 feet above the waterfall, maybe 40. Very pretty, very amazing. Highly recommend this park. Oh, what's this? Guys, berries? Let's take a look. Holy cow. Wow. Let's see. Boop. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Those are no berries, guys. No berries at all. I think this is something we need to be careful about. Let's find out what it is. Oh boy, good thing I didn't eat those bad boys. This might be a very different video.
We stood steady as the stars in the woods, so happy-hearted in the warmth rang true inside these bones. As the old pine fell, we sang.
Hey guys, it's me by the waterfall from a different angle. Unnecessary? Perhaps. But cool? Yeah, I think so.
Just to bless the morning. And we grow, steady as the morning. Yeah, we grow,
beautiful park where owners of dogs take their dog to go swimming, people having picnics underneath the trees. Super incredible.
Okay. Wait, you should share that with me. But Dad,
Huh.
Dad, do we not have another trail to go?
Yeah, we can go see.
Here, can you open my
Hey, look, there's a
one more package?
look. Somebody has a cat.
I want to go see it and pet it.
No,
Just touch the garbage can. No.
we're outside lovely Como Park in Hokah, Minnesota, and the waterfalls here are amazing. But right here, something special. Some wild grapes, guys. These are definitely edible, but you always want to make sure you know what you're doing. Look at that color. Look at that beautiful color squirting out of that grape. Isn't that's special? You could make some tie-dye t-shirts out of that. Guys, just to show you.
Maybe we can put them on the road for the snake to come out.
We did see a snake. I don't know if snakes like grapes, but guys, ooh, that one's got a little mold on it or a spider web or something. That's what you're gonna find in nature. I'm gonna eat one of these for you guys just to prove my mettle as a outdoor nature guy. Right here, one wild grape down the old hatch. Wish me luck. Wow. Incredible. A little sour, but pretty tasty. Got some seeds. You can plant these. Back to nature with those, and let's get it. Woo! All right, guys. Now the test. Gonna get one of these beauties right there. That looks like a good one. You can tell this is gonna be sweet. Let's go. Tart, juicy, and sweet. A little seedy, but we're gonna plant them. There you go. Get some wild grapes.
Did I mention that they have cleanup stations for your animals? Super awesome.
Well, guys, we've taken a lot of valuable things away from our trip to Como Falls in Hokah, Minnesota. Family, friendship, nature, and so much more. We've really learned some amazing lessons. Now, it's time to get back on the road. So until next time, berries are sweet, but life is obviously way sweeter.